Hey, what's up you guys? It's I, Mr. Say, and I am back with some more Lollipop Chainsaw. But it's a sad day today. You know why that is? It's because we're doing the final stage, people. It's just, I didn't think today would ever come. That's how I see it. I never thought of it, and I was like, you know, I might be playing this in a while. No. It is the last time I'm playing this. Because this is the final stage. So, I'm gonna change my costume real quick. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm gonna do that Japanese made costume. Because...
Oh, man.
Oh, damn.
Go team, go!
Sorry about that. But it is a damn ass sexy costume. So we're gonna go with that. And we're just doing to start it up. So let's do this. I feel bad because me, Nick, and Juliet, we bonded so together. Oh, I'll say this afterwards.
Juliet, can you hear me, Juliet?
Oh shit!
Morikawa-sensei!
God damn.
You're alive?
Can you hear me, Juliet?
Yes,
My prized student.
yes, I can hear you.
It is impossible to rest in peace with all this going on.
Sensei, are you alive?
He just said rest in peace, Juliet.
Maybe he's trying to take a nap, Nick.
His voice is all ghosty and creepy and weird. It's a sure sign he's dead.
Yes, dear. I am contacting
Damn.
you from the land beyond words. I'll guide you the best I can, but the reception here is terrible, so listen carefully.
Yes, Sensei.
Sensei.
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole
Wow.
town is in the balance and you're gonna take the time to mock me?
I didn't...
I just heard you. You're right there.
It was the wind or something.
Please, both of you.
Really now?
You must first get close to Killabilly, but be careful. He is, shall we say, cranky.
Well, I would be cranky too, Morikawa Sensei. Some shit's been happening to me.
Juliet, watch out!
Oh, I got it. Thank you, Nick.
I think you can use the cars to make a path.
Okay, I'll try.
Alright, let's do it. But yeah, what I was saying before, me, Nick, Juliet, we bonded. We've gone through so much. We're like glue now. With duct tape. Well, it's all mashed together. We're using the Elmer's glue, the best glue ever. If you say nothing else.
Oh my god, we're gonna drown in that dude's bro cream.
That's
You keep saying that.
Nasty.
Things are getting harder and harder.
thanks, Nick, for such a disturbing image. But damn, I can't believe this is it. Well, oh, so let me say this right now. There has been some kids throwing snowballs at my house or something. I don't understand. Are they? What's up with that? Yo, you know why? Because some odd reason my house still has snow in it. So they must be mad as jealous or something. Because it is quite annoying to see kids just throwing snowballs over such an unsatisfying thing. Oh, I killed Dave. Alright, Mary. Oh, well, Mary dead too, so finally got those two names, baby. I got them. Oh, I got an achievement. Let's see it. Oh, trophy. Zombie Facer. You know what that is for? For collecting all the zombies. Got it. I'm so happy right now. Woo! Shit. Alright. Come on now. I hate these guys with the lights. And firemen. Ooh. Don't you feel stupid now? Oh, did I get hit by a car? I really hope not. Alright, now let's make my bridge. Because, you know, why not? Come here, come on! Okay. Come on, buddy, there's some more. Oh yeah. Alright, here we go. Yep. Okay, we'll get this one too. Fuck you. Don't even need it. We know what they say. Better have a lot, right? Shit. Oh, I'll go overheat. Oh, wait. Alright, don't mess it up. Oh. Okay. Okay, I messed it up. Right. Well, time to go back. As they say. Ooh. Okay. Come on. Here it is. Fuck you. Okay. Let's just go back a little bit farther. Maybe. Alright. Okay, I got this. Okay. Oh, stupid. I pushed the wrong button. Oh, crap. Come on now. Come on, Juliet. Let's do this. We've been through so much. Don't give me like a problem right now. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Yes. Yes. There we go. Fuck! Get off of me. Woo! How did I still get that? Oh, I'm so full. Alright. I get that, here we go. Yep. Oh shit.
Things are getting serious.
Okay. Nope. I won't get hit. I feel the love! Yes. Oh.
Julie and Nick, it's me again. See that path over there? Follow it to that bastard, Killabilly.
Oh yeah, that music. Oh. Oh, it's done.
I would like a special combo number 5 without child ecstasy in your head.
What the fuck was that? Who said that? Who said that? You want some cheese? I'll give you cheese. My ass.
So they never taught you how to fight one of
Motherfucker.
these Killabilly things?
Zombies, vampires,
Damn.
Sasquatches.
You killed a Sasquatch?
Sure, tons.
Yo,
Sasquatches are
Juliet,
but this kind of monster?
you so pro.
I didn't even know it existed.
What? Alright, smart shenanigans. Oh. Who's calling me? Do you hear that? Someone's calling me. No, I mean in the game. Ha ha ha. Right.
Time to shop.
Do I need something? I don't think so. Oh, do I need a new costume? I don't think so too. Alright, let's just let's go. Let's get that health. Oh, of course, loading. I'm always plagued with them. Plagued with them. Oh. Oh, I'm still, I looked away, you guys. I'm sorry. Ah! Yeah. Don't shit! He's lasering me. He is lasering me. How did I not know?
Oh, good. Zombies that shoot laser beams out of their eyes. Yeah, I felt like something was missing.
I
I'll try to use something as a shield and get
shenanigan that up. Yeah, yeah. Oh, the song. Going crazy.
What else have you killed?
Just please.
Leprechauns. I killed a whole tribe of Frankenberries once.
Whoa.
Frankenberry from like the cereal?
That is total propaganda
Get,
to get you to trust
take
them.
that laser. Zombies. Ooh, you got laser too. Ooh. Yeah, you got laser too, buddy. Oh. Right. Shoot me right here, buddy. You dead. You dead. Laser! Come on. Yeah, yeah. Woo! I don't even need to really destroy that, but. Oh! Fuck! Come on, laser right here, buddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Right, get that light. Yep. Alright, I got my achievement. I got my achievement. What the? Where's my achievement? Where is my trophy? Shoot that lazy, please. Huh. Well, let me look at this real quick. Alright. Lollipops. Okay. Don't I have it? Okay. You know what? I'll get it later. That's how I always do it. This music's way too tough right now. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit, it's music. It's gone crazy. Ooh, yeah. Fuck you guys. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. That music was so tough. I loved it. Every moment of my life. So I might go over my friends today. I gotta get this done, please. So zombies, you need to like die for me faster. Oh shit! Okay, so laser is now working, not doing the way I want it. I don't know. Oh shit! Come on, did I do anything to you? Come on, laser him! You're supposed to kill him! Stupid laser at times. Don't even do its job right. Yeah, yeah. Got you that time, boy.
Shit, another fucking building!
Hey, what's up you guys? It's I, Mr. Sang, and I am back with some more Lollipop Chainsaw. But it's a sad day today. You know why that is? It's because we're doing the final stage, people. It's just, I didn't think today would ever come. That's how I see it. I never thought of it, and I was like, you know, together. Oh, I'll say this afterwards.
Juliet, can you hear me, Juliet?
Oh shit!
Morikawa-sensei!
God damn.
You're alive?
Can you hear me, Juliet?
Yes,
My prized student.
yes, I can hear you.
It is impossible to rest in peace with all this going on.
Sensei, are you alive?
He just said rest in peace, Juliet.
Maybe he's trying to take a nap, Nick.
His voice is all ghosty and creepy and weird. It's a sure sign he's dead.
Yes, dear. I am contacting
Damn.
you from the land beyond words. I'll guide you the best I can, but the reception here is terrible, so listen carefully.
Yes, Sensei.
Sensei.
Really, Nick?
Oh, I might be playing this in a while. No, it is the last time I'm playing this because this is the final stage. So I'm gonna change my costume real quick, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm gonna do that Japanese-made costume because.
Oh, man.
Oh damn!
Go team, go!
Sorry about that, but it is a damn ass sexy costume. So we're gonna go with that, and we're just doing to start it up. So let's do this. I feel bad because me, Nick, and Juliet, we bonded so